1974 Chevrolet Corvette T-Top L82 4-speed. Price, $24,050. Location, Hawaii. The 1974 Chevrolet Corvette T-Top L82 is a true representation of American muscle car heritage, combining aggressive styling with performance that still excites enthusiasts today. Finished in its original silver mist exterior with a black interior, this Corvette captures the timeless appeal of the C3 generation, making it a standout classic wherever it goes. The power behind this machine comes from the legendary L82 350 cubic-inch V8 engine, a high-performance upgrade over the standard engine of its time. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and a 4-barrel carburetor, this Corvette delivers a raw and engaging driving experience that puts the driver in complete control. It's the kind of analog performance that modern cars simply can't replicate. The exterior design is unmistakably Corvette, featuring sleek curves, hidden headlights, and removable T-top panels that allow you to enjoy open-air driving. Sitting on American Racing Torque Thrust 2 15-inch wheels, wrapped in BF Goodrich radial TA tires, this car has a bold and confident stance that perfectly complements its muscle car identity. The interior offers a classic and driver-focused layout, with bucket seats, a center console, and a 3-spoke steering wheel that enhances the vintage feel. Equipped with a Delco AM/FM push-button radio, manual windows, and a clean dashboard design, the cabin remains true to its era while still providing comfort and functionality for cruising. The 1974 L82 Corvette is particularly special because it represents a time when performance was becoming restricted by emissions regulations. Yet Chevrolet still managed to deliver a powerful and exciting driving experience. This makes the L82 variant highly desirable among collectors and classic car enthusiasts today. The combination of 4-wheel disc brakes, dual exhaust outlets, and iconic styling ensures that this Corvette is not just about looks. It's built to be driven and enjoyed. Whether you're taking it out for a weekend cruise or showcasing it at a car event, this car delivers both presence and performance. The 1974 Chevrolet Corvette T-Top L82 is more than just a car. It's a statement of style, history, and engineering excellence. If you're looking for a classic American sports car that offers both investment potential and pure driving pleasure, this Corvette is a perfect choice.